So let's take advantage and trade it together. All right. So today we'll be trading the New York session together. So if you are joining us now, do not forget to show some love by subscribing to the channel. Okay. Subscribe to the channel so that every time we are live streaming, you'll be able to join us. That's cool, right? Yeah, it's cool. Okay, so that's being said, I'll flip my camera so you can see exactly what's going on. Perfecto. So let's look at NASDAQ. Today we'll be trading two things, trade NASDAQ and gold. Okay, this is the 4 hours. I cannot go above 4 hours to trade NASDAQ. It's like we gotta go over 4 hours to see our levels. And price action on NASDAQ has its way fucking chubby. All right, so we go to the 4 hours. We're gonna make it very simple, okay? So I believe the New York session opens a few minutes from now. So we need to be watching the markets closely. Let's go down to the 1 hour. So on 4 hours, we look bearish. And on the 1 hour, yeah, it's same. Look bearish as well. So personally, I'm anticipating for a sell on NASDAQ. Okay. And we're even supposed to sell all the way from here. But now, price might want to come back and test it. So when markets open, we see something like this. Price come back up. Test our zone. Then target these lows. Yeah, because price will obviously love to take out these highs most of the time. So watch closely. All right, so this is what we see on the 4 hours, on the 1 hour, sorry. Excuse me. We go down to 5 minutes, 15 minutes. This is NASDAQ, okay? Thanks for joining. Those who joining. Tell me exactly where you're streaming from. You can write it in the comment section. Let me know where you're streaming from. So the Nasdaq market opens in a few minutes. So we always try to make it in a way that when if we are wrong and not lose much. But if we are right, we make crazy profits. Okay, make crazy profits. So this is what we got on Nasdaq. It's been a while since we traded the New York session. So today, I think it'll be great for us to trade the New York session together. All right, the New York session opens in 2 minutes. So tell me, where are you streaming from? Thanks for joining my live stream. And if you're here, do not forget to show some love by subscribing to the channel. Right? If you already subscribed, then do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will receive notifications for every new video that I shared. Wow. Lucky Madix, Botswana. Nice to have you here, bro. It's a pleasure to have you here. So, have you been trading before, or you are new to trading, or maybe you are not a trader at all? Are you a trader? Do you trade forex, crypto, stocks, futures, or what? And for our running trades, we have GBP, JPY. We are currently in a buy position. Currently in a buy position on GBP, JPY, I think. Let me go to the 4 hours. Good. So that's the position we have on GBP, JPY. We are buying from a higher time frame zone. Wow. Okay. Want to specialize on gold. All right. The number on my screen is my WhatsApp number. You can always write me, and the links to my free Telegram community is in the description box. So you can write me, and I can add you to my free community. And I have an upcoming event. So I rather prefer you get me on WhatsApp. All right. So just write down the number plus 237 651 899 562. That's the WhatsApp number you can get me through. And I have an upcoming free training where you learn a lot about trading you never knew. Yes, you learn a lot about trading you never knew. So that is it. We go back to our 30 minutes, to our hourly, sorry, and then we visit our NASDAQ. Okay, let's see how NASDAQ is reacting. It's like we had a little spike, it did not go up to our zone. So we have to wait a little more. So Lucky Madix, you can get me on WhatsApp. I'll be waiting to hear from you if that's okay by you. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do not forget to show some love by subscribing. Okay? Do not forget to show some love by subscribing to the channel. So we are on NASDAQ. We are on NASDAQ. I'm expecting that if price has to crash, we should at least have a little pull to the upside. And we shouldn't also be in a hurry because real volatility will come in about 30 minutes time. That should be 9:30 US time. Okay, because the New York session just opened, and it will take some time for everything to settle. So let's watch and see if Nasdaq can favor us today. Currently waiting for price to rally back up to somewhere around 25,737.4. Once we get there, we can sell. Targeting the lows. So if you're just joining our stream, we are currently trading Nasdaq. We are looking forward to trade the New York session, and the pair we've chosen is Nasdaq. All right, Lucky Madix, you just spoke about gold, and you're in love with gold. You can choose to draw a little box around here, or you draw a bigger box. We're going to see how price respects it. Break to the upside. Should be looking for buys, but the question is, where are we buying to? To these highs. And if it breaks to the downside, should be targeting these lows, or hopefully this. So for us to really enjoy a move on gold, though this is big, this move might look small, but it is big. Personally, I'd rather want gold to break and close below this line. I'd rather prefer gold should drop down here for me to sell gold all the way to this zone. Sorry, I'm in Nigeria. The network is not so stable. Okay. I started trading in 2021. So let's just be a little patient with Nasdaq. See how far it goes. Let's see what's going on with our GBPJPY. Oh, this GBPJPY. AUZ, TJ. We're having a serial back on GBP JPY. So we go straight to our NASDAQ. All right, guys, thanks very much for joining our live stream. If you are joining us for the very first time, we do this always, and you can always join us to see how we trade. So for you to gain access to us, you can actually subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you receive notifications for every new video that I shared here. And if you want to maybe join my free community, the links to my free community are in the description section. We have a free 1 week Forex trading masterclass coming up. You might want to be part of it. You might want to be part of it. So we are looking forward to have a sell on NASDAQ. But as of now, we are just watching to see if price will prefer to pull back up before it sells. Patience, Dana Sibi, something like that. Nice to have you here. Where are you streaming from? Hi, Patience. Where are you streaming from? So if price chooses to pull back, get an entry. But if not, we'll also keep watching. Then as for gold, let's also put an eye. There's a little box I drew here. Let's see if that box gets broken. We should be looking for more bearish momentum. Funny, that's what we are trying to look. That's what we're trying to find out. I'm not buying or selling because we are consolidating. And during consolidation, I just watch. All right. So this is 1 hour. You see how we are consolidating around this zone. So if gold breaks out of this zone and give us a good confirmation, we can have a little sell to this point. Okay. It breaks above this zone and closes above, give us a full candle close above. We should also be looking for a buy to this point. But now, for me, since I love swing trading, or I love to trade my trades for long, not just 2-second trades or scalp, I would rather prefer gold break through this level, the level below, that's somewhere around 4,569.92, for me to get a confirmation and sell all the way to this point. Let me adjust my screen so you can see exactly where I'm selling to. Good. So I can sell all the way to this point, anywhere around here. You see, there'll be a larger profit potential. Or if price breaks above this zone, my zone here, I should be looking forward to buy all the way to 6,000, 4,700, sorry. So that's what I'm looking at on gold. So guys, thanks for all those who are joining us. If you're joining us for the very first time, don't forget to show some love by subscribing to the channel. And also click on the notification bell after subscribing so that you receive notifications for every new video that I share. Okay, for the brokers I use, you're in Botswana. Do you guys have FBS? The links are in the description. All right. If you have FBS, you can click. If you can click on the links in the description. There are 2 brokers there. I have Anzo Capital and FBS. So you create an account. And if you want to be part of my inner cycle, just create the account, send a screenshot to me so that I can add you to my inner cycle. My inner cycle is a place where traders share their ideas, their trade ideas. We share those trade ideas, and we also share signals for free. Okay, we share signals for free. And the only way to gain access to my inner cycle, I'm not the only trader there. We have many profitable traders who share their trade ideas with you. The only way you can get into the inner cycle is by using the brokerage links I have in the description. I hope you all can see my description. If you cannot see my description, let me know. So what you have to do is create an account and deposit into the account and send a screenshot to me. Then I'll give you access to the inner cycle. Okay, that's how easy it is. You don't need to do any other thing. You don't pay for it. It's free. You don't pay to be part of my inner cycle. Then, if you want to be part of my free Telegram community, the links to are in the description. So we are still waiting on Nasdaq, looking forward to have a sell on Nasdaq. Yes, we're looking forward to have a sell on Nasdaq, but we will not sell if we don't get a good confirmation. So I'm expecting price to pull back up and tap us in. I don't want to catch price before time. Yes, so I'd rather wait and sell. Then we also have a trade running on GBP, Yen, GJ. That's GBP, Japanese Yen. No. GBP. Where is that? Okay, this is it. GBP Yen. Am I right? Yes. So it's pulling back to our entry. It is even, we're in a little bit of drawdown. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. It's crazy. Yeah. If you're joining for the very first time, do not forget to subscribe, guys. Let's cool the channel. Let's make the money. Forward to have a fixed time for us to always have a live trading. I think it will be great. I think we will do better if we have a fixed time to trade every blessed day. Tomorrow, we'll be trading Bitcoin together. So all my Bitcoin traders, don't sleep. Make sure tomorrow you show up. Let's do this thing. Yeah, because tomorrow we are trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies.